When an OpenClaw tool disappears, reinstalling is usually the wrong first move. A capability can be installed yet absent from the model because tool policy is enforced before the model call. The model only sees schemas that survive every active filter. First, classify the missing thing. A tool is a callable action. A skill is a workflow instruction pack. A plugin can add runtime capabilities, providers, channels, hooks, tools, and packaged skills. Troubleshooting fails when these three surfaces are treated as interchangeable. Trace the effective chain in order: active profile, global and per agent allow or deny rules, provider restrictions, sandbox state, channel permissions, and plugin availability. Any layer can remove the schema before the model receives the turn. Start with the effective tools allow and deny settings for the current turn. Compare the affected agent with a known working profile, then check runtime logs for plugin load or policy messages. Evidence narrows the failure without widening access blindly. Restore the smallest capability that satisfies the job. Keep broad runtime, file system, automation, and session tools denied unless required. Then retest through the same agent, channel, provider, and sandbox path, because changing one context can hide the real cause. A fix is complete only when the tool schema is visible, the intended call succeeds, and the output stays inside the expected boundary. Finish with the security audit after configuration changes. Visibility plus bounded execution is the proof.